Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of sugar, and using a whisk or a fork, mix that in. We'll add 1 large beaten egg, half a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, which has to be salted. And then using clean hands, just mix that in. We'll keep adding in half a cup of milk, slowly in bits as we need, until it's sticky and light. That's when we'll know it's ready to move to the surface. Our dough is ready to move to the surface, so we can wash our hands now. And then lightly dust our surface with all-purpose flour. Move your sticky dough there, and then also lightly dust that as well. We'll start working our dough using our palms, so press and push forward and repeat, and keep adding flour whenever you feel that the dough is sticking onto your hands or onto the surface. You'll know your dough is ready when it doesn't stick onto your hands and it's moist and soft when you press on it. We'll then grease our bowl with oil and also rub some oil onto the dough, and then we'll let this sit for about 1 hour. After which we can divide that into 2 and start spreading it out. So I'll just again dust my surface and spread out my dough to about half an inch of thickness. I'll then use cookie cutters to cut them into small pieces. I like my mandazis in small fun size bites and shapes. We'll now repeat the process for the rest of the dough. This is my favorite part, working with dough. It's very therapeutic for me. Let me know in the comments below if you like making mandazis. I think you will like this recipe. It's very simple and very easy to do yourself at home. So save yourself some bread budget and make some mandazis for yourself. Our pieces are now ready to fry, so we'll have our hot oil ready and we'll drop them in. The best way to drop them is by sliding them in from the side. This way it prevents any splashback of any hot oil. Trust me, speaking from experience, that is the worst thing you want. So just make sure that you keep on turning them so that they cook evenly and brown evenly. And once they start to brown, just take them out. So we'll just repeat the same process, and remember to keep turning. Eyes on the prize, people. Keep turning, and once you get that beautiful golden brown, take them out of the oven. This is such a super easy mandazi recipe that anyone can do. Anyone can make mandazis, and they are ready to serve. Look at that.
I love you.
Don't mind me if I try the love heart. Look at that beautiful inside. So moist, so full, so delicious. I'll have one more, or maybe another, or maybe all of them. Remember to like and subscribe, people. Thank you for watching. Bye.